Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox Surface Pro 11 Copilot Plus version. So specification, it has a Snapdragon X Plus processor with 16 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage, and it has an IPS LCD panel with 120 Hz refresh rate. The packaging is really compact and very minimalistic. It's time to open the box now. I'm going to remove the paper seal to open the box. Okay, here we have the Surface Pro 11 in platinum color. Okay, you see the surface is covered with a paper screen protector. Let's see what's underneath the Surface Pro X. You can find some documentation containing all the details regarding warranty and whatnot. Okay. Beneath the documentation, you will find the power brick. It has a magnetic power attachment to Surface Pro 11, and you also see UK power adapter. Apart from those, there's nothing much. Let's remove the packaging, and let's focus on our brand new Surface Pro 11. Okay, let's peel this screen protector off. Okay. Let's look around. You can see the power button and volume buttons on top, and on the side you can find two USB-C ports, and on the other side there's a magnetic charging connector, and you can see keyboard attachment at the bottom. Okay, I applied the screen protector on my brand new Surface Pro. Okay, now I'm going to switch it on for the first time. Okay, what I have here? Oh, I have the old Surface Pro X with me. It's almost identical in size, but Surface Pro 11 is noticeably thicker and heavier than my old Surface Pro X. But however, it has very good build quality, and it feels like a very good high quality product in my hands. Initial setups can take long time. Okay, initial setup is done. Now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi network. There is a huge update on the startup. It took me more than half an hour to download and install these essential updates. While waiting for the update, it shows all the new cool features Copilot Plus bringing onto the table. These are advanced AI features. Some of them are not yet active. They will be released with future. Another thing to notice was that during the update, surface became really warm to touch, and also fan started spinning so hard and it was so loud. Okay, now the tablet is all set up. Now I'll move on to benchmarks, starting with web speedometer. It was 17.5 and Geekbench 6 single core was 2390, while multi core score was 12,000. Let's see how it compares to other devices. So I have the All Surface Pro X in my hand. Let's see how it does in these benchmarks. Oh, web speedometer is 6.29, which is very low compared to Surface Pro 11, and Geekbench 6 single core 1000 and multi-core around 3199, which is very low, and it shows the significant generational increase in the computation power. Now I am comparing it with M3 MacBook Pro running Windows on parallel. So as you can see, web speedometer is 18 and single score was 2017 and multi score was around 8000. So single core scores are still higher, and when compared to M1 iPad Pro, you see Geekbench 2373 and multi-core was 8589. All these results you can see in this graph. So thank you for watching. If you want more comparisons, please subscribe.